Good morning, student. Happy morning. Welcome you all in our GK session. Today we are going to learn about the save papers. Children, we get paper from trees, plants or grasses. And trees are the best friend of every human being. Around the world, we use more than 1 million tons of paper every day, and 93% of paper comes from trees alone. Too much of this paper uses as wasteful and unnecessary and puts huge pressure on the environment. So think green and save the environment while saving you some money by using less paper. So children, let's see how we can save the paper. Look here. Do not waste paper. If no need to use paper or without any reason, don't throw papers in the dustbin. Use email instead of letters for saving the papers. Okay, children. Some children are tearing the papers and they are throwing papers in the dustbin. It is not good. Okay, so you have to save the papers and save the environment. Okay, children. The use of paper is when necessary, then you have to use the papers. Waste paper discarded after use. Papers are made from, wood or rags of certain grasses. Wastage of paper means paper pollution and it's serious problem. So do not waste paper. Okay? Look here in this picture. One saving papers example is here, like don't send letters, we will send emails instead of letters for saving the papers. Okay, children? Here, do not use paper plates. The use of paper plates during picnics or big parties where washing and avoiding breakage of ceramic plates would be inconvenient and may raise the question of environmental impact of using paper plates. So avoid to use paper plates if not necessary. Okay? Instead of paper plates, you can use or you can eat in reusable utensils. Okay? The benefits of reusable utensils increase the longer life. They are in use, environmental benefits occur as well. Replacing disposable plastic cutlery with reusable utensils is a better option of paper plates and from this we will save papers. Okay. Next, do not use tissue paper. Now, in our society, commonly we used tissue papers for personal use as facial tissue as paper, handkerchiefs, bathroom tissue. But tissue paper, as we know it today, was bad for the environment because it is a single use paper product. It may occur paper pollution. So instead of tissue paper, we have to use reusable things like handkerchief. Look here. The handkerchief doesn't even get crusty half of the time. And also we have to save paper. So we will save our paper, trees, and also environment with using handkerchiefs. We should use handkerchief because they are reusable. We can use it after washing. But tissue paper are not reusable. We cannot save paper with using tissue. So, for helping save papers, use handkerchiefs. Okay, children? Next, use both the sides of paper. Means what, children? If you are writing in one side of the paper, then after you have to use the another side of the paper. It will help your saving of paper. There are two sides to every paper you write on. So you have to use both sides. By using both sides of each sheet of paper, we can all make a personal contribution to reduce paper consumption. We should encourage a policy of setting printers to default to print double-sided. So children, you know now how we have to save the papers. So come on, take place and say that we will save the papers. Be wise, use both sides, don't throw papers without using in the dustbin. Okay, children, I hope you have understood about the saving of paper. And paper is very important because papers made from tree, greenery, and when we use or save papers, then we will save our environment, save our trees, and save our earth. Thank you.